Chapter 1, Lesson 4, on page 22 and 23, we're going to do the associative property today, number 27. Y plus 3 divided by 2y, and they want to evaluate that for y is equal to 5. Wherever there's a y, we're going to substitute a 5. So let's get started. We have 5 plus 3 divided by 2 times 5. We're just substituting for wherever there's a y, we're going to put in that 5. So let's work on our numerator. 5 plus 3 is 8. And 2 times 5 is 10. Remember, in algebra, we always want to simplify. 2 goes into 8 4 times. 2 goes into 10 5 times. I think our final answer turns out to be 4 over 5. Chapter 1, Lesson 4, number 23 says let's use the associative and the commutative property to come up with some solutions or some equivalent expressions. Remember, we can commute, move things back and forth in addition and in multiplication, and we can associate things by moving the parentheses around in addition and multiplication. So one equivalent example might be just put the 3 in the front. 3 plus 7 times m times n. That would be one equivalent expression. We might get in the habit of writing that as 3 times 7 times m, and we can get rid of the second dot, so that would be times n. And we can even rewrite that as 3 plus 7 times m times n, or 3 plus 7mn. So this first one would be a good equivalent expression. Another equivalent expression might be just to use a commutative property inside the parentheses and rewrite that first parentheses as m times 7 times n plus 3. Remember, all we did was we commuted these two. So this one would look like m times 7 times n plus 3, or 7mn plus 3. And if you notice, these two turn out to be exactly the same expression. So those first two would be two equivalent expressions. That's it for today. We'll see you all tomorrow.